Hello everyone, my name is Narissa and today I'm creating a dark vampy fall makeup look. If you're interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, we are going to start off this makeup look using these two eyeshadow palettes. I already did my complete foundation and highlight and contour off camera, but I'm going to use these two palettes. And I really like these palettes. You've seen me do other videos using these palettes, and I can really say that I like the payoff with the pigmentation. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first color I'm going to use is going to be Played Out. So we're going for a darker look today. And here I go again, starting on my right side. Okay, so you can see what the color looks like, and I will make sure I link down below in the description box these two palettes if you are interested in purchasing them. But I'm going for a very fall makeup look today, so okay. Now repeat on the other eye. And you will find as you practice doing your makeup more and more and more that your skills will get better. And always remember to have fun while you're doing your makeup. Hold on. Okay, so okay, so the next color that I'm going to use is going to be still in this palette. I want to use Shade, and I'm only, let's see, I think I'm only going to put it from here to here. I just want something just a smidge darker, just a smidge, so I'm not going to put too much. And this has a little glitter in it, so it should give a little extra oomph as well. So comment down below your favorite things about the fall. So me personally, one of my favorite things about the fall is football season, like high school football season. That was one of my favorite things growing up. I loved football in high school. It was a lot of fun. And now that I'm a little older, some of my favorite things about the fall would be, number one, is getting cooler, because where I live, it stays hot, like, all the time. Like, it's hot. Even at, like, Christmas and stuff, it's hot. It's hot outside. So, blame that on global warming. What else? I love, you know, those crisp fall Saturday mornings. Oh, I love that. When the leaves start changing. But I will say my favorite season, I think, is spring. Yeah. Okay, so the next color I want to use is going to be this mauve color right here. And this is from the Milani Plum Basics. Yeah, this is the Plum Basics palette, in case you're interested in stopping and picking up your own. Okay, so that's not exactly showing as much as I want to, so I'm going to take a little foundation, put a couple of dabs. I know that was kind of corny. Anywho, let's put this. Okay. So I'm just using this so it will show up a little bit better. Okay, so, and now to do the other side. And I'm still going to go back in with that mauve color. So, going back with the mauve color. Yeah, that's making it show up a lot better than what it was. Yeah, buddy. So comment down below your favorite palettes that you plan on using this fall. Or let me know your favorite cosmetic brands that are releasing fall palettes, because I would love to look at them and try some of them out. Okay. So far, I'm really liking this look. Now I'm going to take another brush and I'm kind of just going to blend this because I don't want it to look so harsh. So I accidentally just created something great because apparently this brush still has some red on it. And it's getting into the look, but I'm okay with that because it actually looks really nice. So sometimes you accidentally will stumble upon greatness when you're doing your makeup, and I think that's what I just did. And I can see right now, yeah, I'm loving this. This is really bomb. Let's blend. Okay. Now to do the other side. And hope, yeah. Now this red that I'm putting, that is accidentally on this brush, comes from my Morph Second Nature palette, and it's the color, let's see, because you all know I love to keep the little names. It's the color Fire, so it's really working out. I like it. So sometimes you have color combos that you didn't necessarily intend on creating, but you do anyway. So okay, I am liking this look, ladies and gents. Ooh, it's pretty. I get so excited when I see my makeup looks like coming together the way I want them to. Oh wow, that's one of the best things that I love about makeup, just seeing the entire look just come together. But yeah, it's just, oh my god, that's really pretty. Okay, the next color that I'm going to use is going to be this color right here, And I'm just going to use it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to use my Stay Put eyeliner. And one of the keys to putting on liquid eyeliner is to do short strokes. Now with more practice you will get a steadier and steadier hand. So you'll be able to make slightly longer strokes, but that is the easiest. Short strokes. Okay, I'm going to put on my Milani trifecta mascara. Am I the only person who noticed it seems like everybody when they put on their mascara their mouth is open just a little bit? Because I know my mouth is always open when I'm putting on my mascara. So it's, I don't know. Am I concentrating? Is it making it easier for me? I don't know. Oh. I know when I first started putting on mascara, I used the clear because like my mom didn't let me wear makeup in high school because it made me look grown. But she did let me buy the clear mascara, so I think my first mascara was like the clear Wet n Wild. It probably cost me like $1 or $2, but oh, I thought I was doing something. Oh, you couldn't tell me a thing. You could not tell me a thing. And look at me now. Okay, so next I'm going to pick a lip color. Let's see. Now the next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to line my lips with, this is a Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Willow. And now I'm going to use the color Black Cherry. This lip liner is a little lighter than I thought it would be, but we're gonna work this out. And now I'm going to put on my favorite lashes, my Ardell Wispies. And I'm going to put them on off camera, and then I'll come back and show you my completed makeup look. Okay, so that's going to be today's Vampy fall makeup look. I hope that you've enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload something new. You can also find me on Facebook at Narissa Explains It All, as well as Instagram at Narissa Explains It All. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!